So hi guys, in my search for the dash cam I stumbled upon this one on the Amazon. This is DDPAI dual dash cam, and it is a dual dash cam which will cover front and back both of your vehicles from both angle of your vehicles. So it is not quite cheap, but it is in budget for me, so I've ordered it. So let's unbox it and see what we are getting in the box. So you will get a box like this. Okay, so it is from a Next Digitron. I think you guys should know about this company. They make so many type of dash cams. And in this envelope we have some adhesives and the user manual. The back camera unit, it is adjustable. Front camera unit and adhesives, a cable connector, and I think this is a cigarette, yes, this is a cigarette lighter port, and a long USB type A to type C cable. So this camera is for around I think 7,000 rupees on Amazon. And if we talk about its features, the back camera is for 180p and front camera is, according to this, it is 1296p. So it runs on USB, but you can run it on continuously by buying a type of connector which they sell, and it will run on the fuse. So let's install it in the car and check how does it work. Okay, so guys, as you can see, this is the daytime for the front camera, and in this you can clearly see the number plates and all of the vehicles around me. So as you can see, we can clearly read the number plate on this car. You can see it is. So in the daytime the quality is top notch, it's really great, and it is a rear camera from the daytime. So here it is also really easy to read the number plates of the cars. So as you can see, it is quite easy from the rear also. So for the daytime performance, this camera is really good. There is no problem in that. But when we switch to the night time, you can see in a minute. Then okay, as you can see, this is the front camera on the night time. So as you can see, it's easy to read the number plates and it's not overexposed. If I go really near to the number plate, I can read it. As you can see, I'll show you in a second. Yeah, okay. So on the rear camera on the night time, reading number plate is not easy. You can only read number plate if they are quite near you. So as you can see, you can slightly a little bit read the number plate of this auto. As you can see, it is really close to my vehicle. So the nighttime performance is okay for the rear camera, but overall nighttime performance and daytime performance for the front camera is really good. So this is the performance of this camera. So hope you guys like it. I'm using it for I think almost a month now, and it's really good. App connectivity is really good. So if you like this video, click that subscribe button, and I'll see you in next one.